Hey everyone, I'm Faith Tucker with MasterCraft Marketing. Today, I'll be giving you an overview of the completely redesigned 2023 XT20. For families who don't necessarily need a larger boat or go out on size-restricted lakes, the XT20 is the perfect fit for your fun. For 2023, the XT20 receives several upgrades to make your family's experience behind the boat even better. And because it's a member of the XT family, the XT20 is the most customizable and reliable 20-foot boat on the market. Rated for 12, the XT20 provides plenty of space for your crew. For those times that you're bringing something for everyone on board, the new 2023 XT20 offers you the most board storage that the industry has to offer. Our biminis have been redesigned along with our bimini surf sleeves, now allowing storage for up to 6 boards. Our redesigned clamping board racks that come standard keep your board safe and secure while being easy on the hands. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to the new flip-down swim step and a transom walkthrough. Once you're ready to relax, the XT20 now has integrated transom seating for 2023. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. Or if you want to watch when the action is unfolding behind the boat, pop-up seat backs and a convertible rear bench seat allow you to configure seating any way you'd like. The 2023 XT20 also provides you with extensive underseat storage, built-in cooler locations, and hinged seating to allow for plenty of room for snacks and gear below deck. And you can help keep cool on those long summer days thanks to Cool Feel Vinyl technology, which stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. The redesigned XT20 also adapts to provide the most shade options thanks to our bow and aft sunshades. Plus, being the only manufacturer in the industry to offer side shades, MasterCraft has you covered. The XT20 delivers the most in athletic capabilities behind the boat. When equipped with SurfStar, the XT20 pumps out fun waves for every member of your family. And for 2023, the XT20 receives upgraded surf devices and a ballast upgrade of over 1,000 pounds, giving you the ability to customize the wave behind your XT20 from beginner to expert. Cut your wait time in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain your ballast in a matter of minutes. And with the ability to upgrade to a dual screen setup on the XT20, filling ballast, selecting your favorite factory setting, or building a custom wave is right at your fingertips. Add any one of our 3 tower options to get the functionality that's right for your family. To elevate your ride, load your tower up with up to 4 tower speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Before hitting the water, make sure to use the MasterCraft app for remote access to your XT20's fuel levels, bilge status, engine health, and more to ensure it's in the most pristine running condition. At MasterCraft, we take pride in building every boat with the utmost quality at every step. That's why we use a thicker gel coat, billet aluminum accents, triple density foam, and the finest upholstery in the industry. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive. We also partner with companies who share our beliefs to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor is world-renowned for hand-building race car engines, and they are the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. These bulletproof engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water. At this point, I'm hopeful you'll all agree that great things can come in smaller packages. And for those looking for a smaller towboat without making compromise, the redesigned XT20 is the perfect choice. If you'd like to see one for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.